Oke guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Fazil Kasarifi with student ID number 2024 32043. And now I will show you or explain you what I have learned in data structure lecture. We're learning about staking and queue. So I'm gonna explain to you what is stack and what is queue and what is used for and what is the example of the implement of it. And the first is stack in structured data. Stack is linear data structure that have a principle last in first out, or we know it as LIFO. That means that last element is the insert in is the first one who out the stack or the data the structured data. In some the the stack is like your guys put book or plate in stacking. So just the first plate, the second, third, and when you need to pick some, you have to pick the top right. So that is mean stack. In the stack, we know the push and pop. The push means you add some data, and the pop is you take out the data. There is some stack like register stack and memory stack, and the function of the stack is used for evaluation and convert arithmetic expression. This process is much for use in compiler program. Stack is used to in recursion programming, and stack is used in memory management. And what is the characteristic of the stack? First one, it is frequently used in algorithm like Tower of Hanoi, tree traversal, recursion, and others. It implement in array and linked list. It is have operation last in first out, like I've explained before. The push and pop is happen in the last one of the stack of the data when some memory that allocated for stack is full. That will happen stack overflow, and when nothing data will pop, they will stack underflow. So there is some basic operation in stack like push, pop, is empty, is full, and pick. Is empty like you guys check out if the stack is 0. Is full, and pick is how to you get the top value of the stack. And the next is queue. Queue is different from stack. It is known as FIFO, or first in first out. So the first one who insert first, that is the first one who get out. It is like you guys have a queue, like the name is queue. So the first one who come first, and it is who get out first. Function of the queue is like you have some playlist in music player or media player, and queue helping in the CPU work of CPU. So CPU using queue algorithm, and there are some queue like simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, double end queue. And there is some basic operation in queue like enqueue. The queue is empty, is full peak initialized. Enqueue, you add some the data in the queue. The queue is you have to delete the data, and I will show you the example of the use of queue and stack. Here are some source code that I have built before. I make it is first one is stack, so I make like undo and redo program. So I will explain to you. The first one, I will make a class of text editor, name of text editor, and then I have a construct that will make a text attribute and array of undo stack and redo stack. And then I have a write function here. So when I call it, it will save out my writing. So like is text attribute of text is text. So it will add some my new text to the text before, and then it is for clearing the redo stack first. And when I have also delete function, so when I call it, it will remove and save in remove variable, and then in undo stack it will save the remove text. And then the undo function itself, when it not self undo stack, it's like if true, it will return the action value is undo stack pop. So when we pop it, it will save in value variable. If the before action before is writing, so the self text it will delete the value, the length of value. But when the action is before is delayed, it will back the value it was, and redo when action is right, it will add the value again. But if delete, it will call it the value again. So it is some demo here. I will make the object first. The name is word, and then I call write with object, then hello world, and then I undo it, and then I print it, and then I redo it again. So it will, I expect it will show the hello world again. And then I add some again word, and then I print it again, and this is how it is. The first one is after I hello world and is undo, so it is none here, and I redo it, so it is appear again, and then I add some again lagi here. Next is queue. So I make a tool in system. So when I make a toll get class, and it will construct the self queue itself. So before we make a code, first one thing that we have to do is import the queue first. So from collection, import the queue, and there are we can use tools of the queue collection. So I have the arrive process and get queue function. So when we call arrive, it will printing the that uh, some vehicle is in, and I append it the vehicle, so self queue. So I have the first vehicle in my queue, and when we process, it will make the after we process. Of course, the car is go like, so when we process, the first car it is out. So and then it stop again to the next car. So I can demo here before the time is more than 10 minutes, and that's all from me. Thanks for watching, and see ya guys. Bye bye.